boAt Aavante Bar Prime DA600 5.2 channel soundbar. Main features are: boAt Aavante Bar Prime DA600 is the premium flagship model in boAt's Aavante Bar Prime home audio lineup. It is a powerful 5.2 channel home theater system delivering a massive 600 W of total audio output, specifically engineered to bring hardware-driven cinematic surround sound and deep sub-bass to Indian households at an accessible price point. 5.2 channel matrix features a multi-speaker design using two 5.25 subwoofer drivers, 4 2 drivers, and two 2.25 drivers to achieve distinct channel separation and clear dialogue. Dual-wired subwoofers includes two dedicated bass modules working in tandem to produce balanced, thunderous low frequencies that standard single subwoofer kits cannot match. Dual rear satellite speakers, bundled with two physical rear surround speakers to deliver true directional audio from behind the listener instead of relying purely on virtual software tricks. HDMI ERC supports high bandwidth, lossless audio transmission and lets you operate the home theater using your standard TV remote. Bluetooth V5.3 V5.4 integrated wireless streaming capability for smooth, low-latency playback from smartphones and tablets. Additional inputs built with physical digital optical, USB, and 3.5 mm AUX ports to maximize legacy media compatibility. Entertainment EQ modes equipped with selectable preset profiles directly accessible via the master remote to optimize clarity for movies, music, and news. Dolby Atmos support fully supports Dolby Atmos technology, allowing the system to decode object-based surround tracks for a highly immersive, multi-dimensional viewing experience.